Give shape to your outdoor space with an amazing vertical garden. Vertical gardens are the perfect way to bring any wall to life by creating a custom-made color scheme with the various plants you choose. You can also decide to make a delicious herb garden. Koi Mom is happy to be your guide in creating your own vertical garden. It's a wonderful privilege to add fresh herbs to your recipes, for example in a delicious soup or pasta. Let's not forget that fresh herbs will also leave an amazing aroma. If you have an old wooden ladder, this can be used as the base for the vertical garden. If you do not have this at hand, you can make one yourself. We will show you exactly how to do this. Ensure that you have the following tools and materials. Get started by cutting your pieces of wood to the right size. Measure the first 2 planks up to around 80 inches, depending on how high you want your garden to be. Use the adjustable square to saw the plank with an angle of 15 degrees. You can either use a hand saw or an electrical saw for this step. Continue cutting 4 planks of 27 inches in length. These should be sawed in a 90-degree angle as they will be the shelves. The same process can be repeated with the slats, making 4 pieces of 27 inches long with a 90-degree angle. Now that you have the correct sizes, you can determine where you want the shelves to be. Make sure that you use 15-degree lines so that the shelves will end up horizontal. The distance between the shelves can be determined by the amount of space your herbs need. The planks can be pre-drilled at precisely the spot where you want the screws to be at. The planks can be put on its side. Another plank can be used as a backplate to get the shelves in the correct position. Pre-drill the holes in the shelves. This will prevent the wood from splitting when you drive in the deck screws. Once the holes have been pre-drilled, the screws can be put in place. First, ensure that all the pieces of wood are nicely aligned. We now have the perfect base for the vertical garden. Now we can start putting in the slats. The vertical garden is assembled. You can choose to paint or stain your project in the desired color. We decided to use chalk paint so we can write the names of the herbs onto the shelves. Place your herbs on the shelves and voila! Your vertical garden is ready.